So here we are, guys. Welcome back to Wave of Wealth. I'm Nick, and today I'm gonna teach you how to edit your pages in your Shopify store. So it's gonna be super easy. I'm just gonna give you some scratch in the surface, guys, some head start. How can you actually do it? If you want to watch some more videos about it, feel free to check it out on our channel. So as I mentioned before, you need to go, of course, to your admin, to your own account on Shopify. Next thing that we need to do is to go to our online store, which you can check it out, guys, right here. This is just for the video purposes only, and you can see this is just a really simple website with some products, with some banner, with some header and footer and newsletter, and it will do. I mean, this marketplace, this store will eventually sell some products, guys. Of course, you do not need much more stuff. If you have a good marketing, good community, great product, this store will do for you, most definitely. So how can you edit your pages? Right here down below, you can see this is our, of course, a preview of our store. Down below is our template. We need to go to customize section, which you can check it out on the right side. You can press on it, guys, and be redirected to your customization section of your own marketplace. And you can see this is the same marketplace that I showed you moments before. So here we can delete, add stuff and stuff like that, guys, announcement bar and so on. On the left side, you can check it out, guys, is header. Announcement bar, header, you can add section right here. Feel free to do that. Custom liquid, sections, apps, announcement bar, and so on. Announcement bar, you can press on it. You can change the color right here. As you can see, welcome is not the field behind welcome is not black anymore. It's white right here, guys, but we can put it back, for example, in something like this. Okay, I like it. So right here, you can check it out. Announcement bar, welcome, header. Let's switch header. So right here, we can again switch this to Plex. Right here, we can see, we can change menu and everything, guys, and you get the point. So on the left side, you can switch anything, you can switch color, you can add sections, you can do whatever you want to do, and that's actually where you can edit your templates and edit your pages on your store. So image banner is right here. You can check it out. Featured collection is down below, guys. We can see that's our section. We can delete this and maybe write some other stuff. Ebooks for sale, for example, but it's quite obvious, but you get the point. So footer is down below, but as I said, right here is the template. This is the body of your store. So here you can add plenty of sections, guys. Featured product, you can add collection list, rich text, image banner, slideshow, collage, multi-column, multi-row, email sign up, video, blog post, and plenty of other stuff. So check it out. As I said, if you want to see some amazing videos on how to make your store, how to actually edit your pages, in what way for some specific niches, check out our previous videos on our website. Thank you for watching this video. Until the next time, goodbye.